and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a DIY edible lip scrub. As many of you know, I recently got my lips done. I got lip injections, and ever since I did, my lips have been chapped almost every day. And I created this lip scrub a few months ago from watching a few other DIYs, and I find that it is very effective for me, so I wanted to share the recipe with you guys. And almost all of the ingredients here, you can find them in your home, you can find them in your pantry. So if you want to know how I created this, then please keep watching. The first thing that you're going to need is honey. It doesn't have to necessarily be organic, it could be just the regular plain honey that you have in your pantry. The next ingredient you're going to need is coconut oil. I chose organic coconut oil only because this is what I had in my pantry. I purchased this at Albertsons. Next, you're going to need white sugar. You could also use brown sugar, but I prefer white sugar because it's finer and I feel that it scrubs those dead skin cells from your lips a lot better than the brown sugar. You're also going to need measuring spoons, a spoon, a mixing bowl, and a cute little container to put in your scrub. This is actually an old Tarte container that I had. I just cleaned it out and I'll be using it for my lip scrub. The first step is to grab your measures, and we're going to get 2 tablespoons of our white or brown sugar and pour them into our mixing bowl. Just FYI, I am also kind of sort of maybe eyeballing the measurements. You'll see later on in the video that I add a little bit more sugar, so maybe you might want to start off with adding 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, or maybe I just added a little bit too much coconut oil. But next, we're gonna grab our honey. And this honey that I grabbed, I accidentally grabbed an older honey, so you're gonna see me switch it out because it was just not coming out. So at this point, I'm going to grab another honey, and the one that I decided to go with is a local organic honey that we recently purchased, and it is delicious. But anyway, I'm going to grab just half a tablespoon of this and pour it into my mixing bowl. The honey can get pretty messy, so I didn't really want to stick my fingers in there and pour the rest of it out. I kind of was tempted to, but I didn't end up doing it. Next, I'm going to pick up my coconut oil, and I'm going to grab half a tablespoon of this and dump it into my mixing bowl. Now I'm carefully going to mix this all up. You don't want to overmix because you do not want to dissolve the sugar. The sugar is what is going to scrub the dead cells from your lips, so you do not want to overmix. But at this point, I'm seeing that my mix is a little bit too dry, so I'm going to add another little bit of sugar. And when I added this little half teaspoon, it seemed to make all the difference. So I mixed this up a little bit more. I mainly patted it down because, again, you do not want to dissolve the sugar. And once you are completely done mixing up your mixture, you're going to grab your little container and you're going to pack it into your container. Now that we have our lip scrub done and put in our container, now we are ready to apply it on our lips, and in just a little bit I will show you how to apply it. Now all I'm doing is just packing it up in the container and cleaning up the edges, and it's done. So now we're going to apply it on our lips. So now I'm going to apply the lip scrub on my lips, and I typically do this once or twice a week. I do this before I apply my makeup, hence why my face is looking disgusting AF, is because I have zero makeup and I still have my glasses on. It was my day off. So I will scrub this all over my lips, making sure that I scrub off all of those dead skin cells. The coconut oil is great to hydrate your skin so that it does not dry up or crack. So now I leave this on for 2 to 3 minutes, and I rinse this off with warm water, and voila, we're done and we're ready for the day with nice moistured lips. So I totally failed at filming an outro for this video. I don't know what I was thinking. But either way, I hope you guys liked this video and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like this one. Also, if you have any other DIYs that you would like for me to film, then please let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, that's it for me today, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!